Hello all, welcome back. In this video, I would like to bring to your notice a recent news of IIT Goa's. So this news went virally in all the academic social media platforms. So this is a very unique issue, which was not happened earlier. So that's why it went so viral. So this is regarding the a unique question paper pattern which was set by the one of the faculties of IIT Goa. He asked the students to write two questions which were divided for the 70 marks. The first question which he was asked was, so prepare the questions of 60 marks from the lecture materials provided to you in the entire semester. It means lecture 1 to lecture 30. It should reflect your understanding about the course and also must be answered in 2 hours. Avoid discussing with your friends. It may reduce your score if similarities are found. So this is the first question. Then the second question is, answer the questions you prepared, 40 marks. So these two questions framed by one of the faculty of IIT Goa, and then this was put up into the their BTech or undergrad program council. So after discussing with the committee members, and then so based on their inputs, whether this type of pattern will be allowed or not will be decision taken by the Professor Mishra, who is director of IIT Goa. So we'll see what are his comments on this type of pattern. So see, as the director of IIT Goa, I don't interfere with my faculty members' academic freedom. He said, only thing is one needs to see what system the faculty member has in place to grade students, because it is going to be tough to grade them on such a question paper. I found it novel at a time when students are struggling. We need new ways of evaluating them in an online teaching learning scenario. So clearly his statements are very positive towards such type of initiative taken by the faculty. So he said he has been following the comments on the issue online too. And then the next is, students are positive about it, Mishra said. In professional circles, they are saying it is an interesting approach. This year I decided to teach a course just to see how students are feeling in the entire pandemic situation, and there is a strain on them. Some rightly pointed out that forcing students and grilling them in a 3-hour exam is not quite right. So after this post, which went viral in the social media, so there were both positive comments as well and negative comments. Few commented that so such type of questions will bring out the actual learnings of the student, or so they are concentrating on the majority of the students what they have understood. So there is no, when this type of questions asked, the student need not to try to copy or indulge malpractices in such practices. And some other people also commented that this type of questions will not allow the students to think beyond certain level. So, and then there is no problem solving skills in this type of questions. So there are both positive and negative. So but even in the negative comments, so there is a point to discuss on that aspect, because all the time we insist the engineering students to solve the problems. So in the end semester examinations, so whatever the concept or the numericals they have taught in one semester duration, so they need to apply those concepts to solve some problems which are set by the faculty. So this was some critics point. And then a few who are in favor of students, they are agreeing this kind of patterns. in this pandemic situation. To this post in social media, IIT Delhi director Professor Ram Gopal Rao reacted through Twitter. So yeah, so this is what his post on the that post. So I'll read what he said. Here are my views on this. First of all, it is not IIT Goa which is doing this, and it is one of young assistant professor who has done this. We have all set open book exams, and setting a good question paper for open book exams is as difficult for the faculty member as it is for the students answering them. I used to spend a lot of time in doing so. If the faculty member involved here is doing this to avoid all the hard work required for setting a question paper, or does not have the capability to do so. So he is directly telling that the faculty member is not involved in doing, or he's not interested to do, or the hard work, or he's not capable of setting such tough questions to solve the complex problems. The Senate must take a serious view of this. One must look at all other question papers set by this faculty member, and institute or senior faculty department must mentoring appropriately. So he's seriously criticizing that faculty by asking the Senate to probe into this matter. So the IIT Goa director, he said that in his earlier post that he had in their institute they are having they are giving the faculty to their academic freedom. But I don't know why IIT Delhi director is gave such an hard comments or very criticizing that in assistant professor. As a faculty members, we all need to take these processes very seriously. Otherwise, with such much of freedom available to the faculty members in IITs, and without proper checks and balances, the entire system will break down. So this was a post posted by the IIT Delhi director. So these are the comments on the unique way of the exam question paper set by the IIT Goa. So if you have any comments, so please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.